What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you two ways how to turn on or off your airplane mode on your Android phone or your Samsung Galaxy phone, right? So the first way is to simply do a swipe from the top downwards, right? And you will see from the options at the top there, you will see airplane. So you want to tap on the airplane and that will turn on the airplane mode for you. Be mindful that once you turn on airplane mode, your network and your internet mobile data, it will turn off, as well as your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, right? So that's how you turn it on the first way. If you want to turn it off, just simply tap on it again and your network, your Wi-Fi, your data will all be resumed. Now the second way is to do a swipe from the bottom upwards and go to your settings. Now inside your settings, guys, you'll be able to see your connections. You want to tap on that, and within the options here from the top, you will see airplane mode. You can simply tap on it to turn it on. Again, your network will be disabled, your Wi-Fi, your mobile data. And if you tap on it again, you will see that it explains to you that this will turn off your mobile network, Wi-Fi, and even your Bluetooth. But this is very useful when you're traveling in the plane and you don't want to turn off your phone. You can just simply turn on airplane mode and travel as you go along. And once it is safe to turn on your network again, you can simply toggle off your airplane mode from here or from here. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.